today we'll be unboxing a Charizard EX box. So yeah. Let's take out this first. Oh, it opens from the side. That didn't happen.
Right, take that out. And there's one EX. It comes in.
I can't get it out.
Let me see.
Oh, wait, it's from the bottom. Oh, wait.
Wait, let me take it out. Hold it. Let's see how you take this out.
Oh, just press it like that.
There you go.
So,
Got it out.
Charizard one.
Charizard EX. Let's put that over there. And there's gonna be 4 packs again. And this is a big
Charizard
EX card. You can see how big it is.
Yeah, it's so big. Alright,
so he's gonna get started with the other ones. So that's gonna be one. Sorry guys, I'm taking this thing because that's annoying. So do the 3 count.
Alright. So there's a code card. 1, 2, 3. 2 of them in front. Alright.
Let's see the best.
The Scraggy 60.
60, the one with the best.
Shiftery. That's good. Stunky. Geodude. Fletchling. Feebas. Pidgey. Marketus or Newsleaf. And Pidgey.
So he's getting the other pack. We just need 3 more.
I'm gonna open it from the front. What? I'm just gonna open it from the back. Because from the front it starts with the back.
So count.
Code card. 1, 2, 3. And then 2. Put them at the front. Going like that. The first one is Banking. Ooh,
Crocodile. Horned.
Froakie. Bunboy.
Sandile.
Voltor. Max Reeve.
Sableye.
And Dodrio.
And I think in this one there might be an EX.
I'm gonna go that one last. Cause the Charizard. There's a good chance that in the Charizard one we might get a Charizard EX.
Another one?
On the Charizard one. Hoping to get a Charizard.
We haven't got any EX on these. Only the one that came.
Dodrio. Muscle Band. Red card. Skitty. Ooh, an energy. Which is fairy type. Diglett. Chespin. Energy. Phantom. And Fight. This is a good one.
Yep.
Alright, so.
And this is the last pack that he will be opening. Just don't do that.
I know, I'm just taking out the code card.
Okay.
Goomy. Caterpie.
Geodude.
Helioptile. Banumi. Ooh,
Rabbids. Luxury. That one's good. 140 HP.
Lowit. Starting Megaphone. And Milk Tank.
He didn't get any. So that'll be all for this video. And bye guys.